This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your Android TV is on and visible. First, check settings about to confirm the OS version, because some older builds use different menus. Next, power the remote, charge it or insert fresh batteries, and activate its Bluetooth pairing mode per the manufacturer steps. Then navigate to Settings, open Remotes and Accessories, and choose Add Accessory to begin discovery. Once done, your TV will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now you'll find and select the remote. Now you'll complete the pairing flow. When your remote name appears, highlight and select it. If the TV requests a PIN, enter 0000 or type the numeric code shown on the screen. This secures the link. Make sure you hold the remote close to the TV during this exchange to avoid packet loss. After selecting, wait for the on-screen connected confirmation. Then press Navigation and select buttons to verify responsiveness. If the remote controls volume or power, confirm those features work too before moving to final steps. You're almost done. Update your TV firmware in settings if some remote functions are missing, because updates often fix compatibility issues. Once updated, test all controls and set preferences like Wacom Bluetooth if available. If pairing fails, unpair the device and run the Add Accessory sequence again. This clears transient errors. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset the remote to factory pairing mode or reboot the TV's Bluetooth stack. This resolves most stubborn issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.